Hello, my name is Elizabeth Salazar, and I will be showing you my birthday polynomial project. So the objective of this project is basically to get your date of birth and flip it around in order to create your equation. For example, my date of birth is on May 19th, 2000, and the digits are 5192000. And after I get rid of the 0 and flip the numbers around, I get 2915. And after I arrange my numbers in this specific order and played around with the negative and positive signs, the polynomial equation that I got is f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus x plus 5. And this is the graph representing my equation. Both my domain and my range for this graph are negative infinity, positive infinity. The y-intercept for my equation in my graph is at 0, 5. And the intercept is represented by this point right here, which is the line that crosses the y-axis. And that same point also represents my relative maximum, which is the highest point in my graph, and it is at 0, 5, as I had mentioned before. My relative minimum is at 2.943, negative 19028. The relative minimum in my graph is represented by this point, which is the lowest point in my graph. These three coordinates represent my all real number zeros, and those are the lines that cross my x-axis. And the first one is at negative 0.65. My second one is at 0.907. And finally, my third one is at 4.243. And here they are again. The description for the end behavior of my graph is that it falls to the left and it rises to the right. This equation represents me because I have 2 brothers, 9 cousins, 1 dog, and 5 uncles. And finally, this graph represents myself because at the beginning of the semester, my grades were lowish, kind of like 70s, I would say. And as the semester went on, my grades started to go up to, I would say, low 80s. Not that big of a difference, but it's still better than what I was before. And then I started slacking off again, meaning I was procrastinating a lot. So my grades went back down to 70s, and I realized that I didn't want to have those type of grades anymore, so I started to try harder, and now my grades are going back up, and hopefully they stay at the high 90s that they are right now. Thank you. This has been my birthday polynomial project. I hope you all enjoyed it.